This is the question. How to talk to me? Do not talk to me in nonsense word. I did not want. Because in the school, only important word. Word is important. Clearly word. Because if we did not understanding about the word, sickness is the second. It's giving. Only the word. Correct. Word. Not the nonsense word. So very using the word of the reflection of the lower body. Thinking is the reflection of the body. Exactly 0, 0.